Hello everyone, welcome back, and today continuing with my two big, really heavy paintings. Still don't know which way up they're going. Yeah, what we're going to do today, I've got a couple of new things to try. I bought these squirty paints in there, do a bit of squirting. And what else did I buy? Oh yeah, I've bought these tester paints. Got these tester paints to try out in a blue and an orange. So I didn't get pink. I think I got them before I decided to add pink. So try them out. May add a little bit more collage. I've also started some. I really enjoyed working on wood last time, so I've started 3 other little ones. So I may be going between all of them. Well, we'll see how we get on today. Start with having a spin. Okay, let's see where we go. Okay, let's give these little things a try. Testers. Sticky label thing. Oh, look at that, there's a roller. A roller. Then the little tab that you pull out. Oh, there we go. This looks like good fun. Look at that. It. Hope you can still see me. Really like that. Let's try the other one, the blue. I'm going to put the lid. Don't know how long it'll last. Oh, squeeze. We should have shook it a bit. I thought it was going to be a darker blue than that. Doesn't seem to be coming out like the orange one did. I do like the colour though. Oh, I just saw some drippies coming out there. Going back to the blue and orange idea. get covering quick. Gosh, I should have got some more colours. This is just ordinary house tester paint. And why not? Just add into the layers. Made a right mess though. Now to get the excess off without squeezing more. Well, I think I'll try it on these smalls. Already put some collage on these ones like I did when I started this one, these two. Where's the orange? I should put the orange. Great way to start. Yeah, so it seemed like my phone ran out of space, so with the orange I just added a little bit to these 3 and luckily checked my phone before I continue and noticed that it had stopped actually, so I think I'm going to put it on fast speed. When I do something interesting or change a material, I'll come back on and tell you. Okay, just going to play about, really try out these sprays. I'm just going to continue playing. Yes, so I added a few collage papers from my roll, my mountain roll, the painting that I did, rolled out and did in the mountains, and some other little collage papers that I made on the jelly plate. Added a few to these ones too. Just starting point. I still don't know where I'm going with this, so I'm just going to continue. I feel like I want to add some pinks now, some pales, some pale pinks and greys and things, so maybe some lilacs. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. So I'm feeling better. It was a lovely time there, getting carried away till my son rang me. So yeah, I'm feeling happier. Went a bit mad with my new tool, my trowel. Really enjoying this. My light stopped working suddenly, so sorry I've got the noisy light on. Hope you can hear me okay. And well, I think I'll leave it for there and see what happens next time. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Au revoir.